Enrolled agent. Enrolled agent is the highest credential awarded by IRS, Internal Revenue Service in the United States. It authorizes professionals to represent taxpayers before the IRS in all matters, including audit, collections, and appeals. Eligibility. No specific degree required. Must pass all three parts in specific enrollment examination. Exam window will be open from May to end of February. Consists of three parts. Part 1, individuals. Part 2, business. Part 3, representation practices and procedures. Skills gained in enrolled agent. Expertise in US federal tax law. In-depth knowledge of tax regulations for individuals and business. Tax return preparation. Prepare and file complex tax returns for individuals, partnerships, corporation, estates, and trust. Apply IRS rules to real-world tax scenarios. IRS representation. Represent taxpayers before the IRS for audit, collection, and appeals. Handle IRS notice and negotiate payment plan or penalty abatement. Tax planning advisory. Provide protective tax planning strategies to reduce liabilities. Guide clients on tax implication and financial decisions. Business tax knowledge. Understand small business structure and their tax treatment. Navigate corporate tax rules, payroll, and business credit. Compliance and ethics. Apply ethical practices as outlined in IRS. Maintain confidentiality and integrity in tax practice. Audit support and dispute resolution. Assist in managing audit, responding to IRS queries, and resolving disputes. Prepare documents and represent clients professionally in IRS proceedings. Job opportunities. Tax preparation. Work for tax preparation firms, accounting firms as independent contractors. Tax consultant. Provide tax advice and planning services to individuals and businesses. To set up a tax consultant firm. Tax advocacy. Represent tax payers before the IRS in audit and appeals. Salary in worldwide. In India, 7 lakhs is the minimum salary. Opportunities worldwide, 180 countries plus.